The NIA investigation into narco-terror case which reveals that narcotics that is being pushed into Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab, and it is said to be a part of Pakistan's conspiracy to revive and fund terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. Let me straight away go across to Gursimran now. Gursimran, what are the findings of the NIA investigation and also a deep-rooted conspiracy hatched by Pakistani-based terror outfits?
Indeed, we have seen that how Pakistan is trying to push in drugs into the Indian territory, and through the investigation that has been carried out by the National Investigation Agency in a case pertaining to recovery of drugs from the Kashmir border, it came into being that the conspiracy is being hashed by the Pakistan-based handlers of the terror outfits, and this is to fuel the terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. Especially, we have seen how major overhauls of the drugs have been recovered. The Border Security Force in Punjab has recovered 410 kilograms of heroin in past 1 year. In Jammu, it is about 185 kilogram in past 2 years, worth rupees 360 crores, and in totality it is over 15 crores of the narcotics that have been recovered by the security forces in past some time, which hints that this money, a huge amount of 1500 crores, more than that, was to be pushed into the terrorism. So you can imagine, with this money getting pumped into the terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir, what kind of a damage it could have caused. And when I spoke to the Jammu and Kashmir Police DGP Dilbag Singh, he also said that there are several cases in which it came into being that the families of terrorists killed, as well as the overground workers and the stone pelters, they were given the funds generated from the sale of narcotics. So this is a big module that was going on the behest of the Pakistani terror outfit that stands busted by the National Investigation Agency during the investigation of a case. And